Part C. Describe 4 types of dividends that could be issued by a company. Types of dividends. Types of dividends. Types of dividends. The first type of dividend is the cash dividend. Cash dividend. Cash dividend. Cash dividend. This is the most common type of dividend where the company distributes cash to its shareholders as a return on the investment. Right? The shareholders are paid in cash. And the cash is paid normally out of the company's profits. Cash dividend. 2, stock dividend. Stock dividend. Now, in a stock dividend, the company issues additional shares, right? These additional shares to the shareholders instead of distributing cash. The shareholders receive additional shares in proportion to their existing shareholdings. 3, there is what we call scrip dividend. Scrip dividend. Now, scrip dividend is similar to a stock dividend where the company issues additional shares to shareholders. However, in a scrip dividend, the company provides shareholders with the option to choose between receiving additional shares or cash. All right? The company provides shareholders with the option to choose between receiving shares or cash. So there is a mix there. Scrip, either cash or the shares. Scrip dividend. 4, property dividend. Property dividend. Now, instead of cash or shares, a company may distribute assets or property to its shareholders as a dividend, and that may include transferring ownership of assets such as real estate, intellectual property, or even investments to the shareholders. Property dividends. Describe 4 types of dividends that could be used by a company. 1 is cash dividend. 2, stock dividend. 3, scrip dividend. 4, property dividend. 4, marks.